Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, looking at Jerusalem sage. You may know it as lion's mane. It's a beautiful, exotic, kind of different flower. To make it fabulous in your arrangements, take the time to remove the leaves. That way you can see the architectural beauty and the blooms really stand out. You might want to add the very top knot and leave that. Don't take it off because that gives you almost a bonnet on top of the bloom. But just taking that time to remove the leaves, inspect the bloom, then give it a cut to hydrate, let it sit for 2 hours, and then you're ready to design. Now you know how the pros do it.